off. Early lead is taken by LA. And as they leave the straight, Wind Turbulence moving up to grab the lead. And on the outside is Douglas Fantasy. And Blue Seal moving up by the rail, getting better. LA is Street Bomb, Sword of War, and Dancing Storm. And heading for the backstretch, it's Wind Turbulence in the lead, followed by Douglas Fantasy in second, and Blue Seal running in third by 5.5 lengths. LA running in fourth, getting better. Street Bombs and Dancing Storm moving up. Sword of War. And hitting the far turn, it is still Wind Turbulence in the lead, followed by Douglas Fantasy in second. And running in third remains entry number one, and that is Blue Seal. LA on the outside, Street Bumps and Dancing Storm moving up on the inside, getting better, and Sword of War. Rounding the far turn, it is still Wind Turbulence, Violent Canal, followed by Douglas Fantasy in second on the outside, and closing in third, entry number one, Blue Seal and Dancing Storm moving up by the rail, Street Bump on the outside, and LA. At the top of the stretch, it is still entry number 7, and that is Wind Turbulence in the lead. And moving up by the rail, it's Dancing Storm on the farther outside. It's Blue Seal. It's Wind Turbulence, and Blue Seal moving up on the farther outside. It's now Blue Seal on the outside and Wind Turbulence. And nearing the payoff line, it's Blue Seal, Wind Turbulence, Dancing Storm, Street Bump, LA, Sword of War, getting better, Douglas Fantasy.